Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we had completed this chapter in this week, but there were a few slides left to be covered. So I'll be covering them, and I hope this experiment succeeds regarding the and we are able to record the lectures. Then it will become very easy for you to save the lectures and listen to them at your own time. Now today we are going to we'll just take a look at what we did on Sunday. We covered the inventory. We were trying to understand inventory management at Amazon. We looked at an example of Amazon, and then we tried to understand the definition of inventory, the importance of inventory. These all you must have studied by now. What we are supposed to do today right now is to understand the costs, because this is what will affect the inventory management. So in order to know how much inventory we should have, and inventory is clear to you, inventory means stock or the materials that we have in excess. So the total cost of inventory includes holding costs, setup costs, ordering costs, and shortage costs. We also covered two types of demand. So let us first of all come to the same problem that we discussed in the class, that in a multi-period model, how are we going to calculate when to order and how much to order. So there is a simple formula for this, that we will multiply the daily use by lead time, and then if there is a requirement for a safety stock, we will add the safety stock. So whenever the stock reaches this level, the company has to order the new lot, the new set of materials. So we saw this problem in the class about a footwear retailer, and the daily, you can see the daily usage is 500, the lead time is 7 days. So we can easily find out from the formula that reorder level should be lead time into the number of days and the average use. So it becomes 3500 units. Now further to the problem, if the company decides that they want to keep a safety stock of 2500 units, meaning they want to keep a safety of 5 days. So in any case, you can find out how to calculate the safety stock. If the number of days are given, then just multiply the number of days by the number of daily use, and you will get the safety stock. So now the formula will be applied here. So the reorder level now will be the lead time into average daily use. Okay, so this was already calculated, 3500, and now you will have to add 5 days stock, that means 2500. So the total reorder level, the total stock where you should reorder, you should go for a fresh stock, is 6000 units. Now a very important formula and term that you must remember is that of economic order quantity. So economic quantity, we will calculate using a formula that takes into account annual demand, cost per order, holding cost, and then calculate the total inventory cost. So we will try to see how much will be the annual economic order, when should we order, and what is the economic order size. So again, the example is of a company named ABC Limited. They are engaged in sale of footballs, and its cost per order is $400, and its carrying cost unit is $10 per unit per annum, the company has a demand for 20,000 units per year. We have to calculate the order size, total orders required during a year, total carrying cost and total ordering cost. It's a very simple problem, and we can easily calculate the EOQ. Once the EOQ is formed, then you can find out all the others. The order size is calculated. How much is the order size? Like in the case of this problem, we immediately found that 3,500 is the order size. Here we have to find out what is the economic order. So what are we doing? We are simply using the formula. So root under square root of 2 into annual demand. So now annual demand is 20,000, and then cost per order. So you can see here cost per order is $400 divided by carrying cost per unit, that is $10 per unit. So when we solve this, we get 1265 units. Now what we are supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate the total ordering cost. Now ordering cost, you can see here, the ordering cost is how much? Ordering cost, the cost per order is $400. So your total ordering cost will be 1265 into 400, and you have to calculate the carrying cost. So total carrying cost will be 1265 into 10, and not 10, 10 per unit per annum. So this one is 1265 units, so you can multiply by 10, and then you have to calculate the total ordering cost. So total ordering cost is 1265 into 400. So this way, we will calculate. So the most important what you have to find out here, and what you will get in the quiz tomorrow, is to calculate the EOQ for a company. And I may change the numbers, but the formula will remain the same, and you have to calculate it. So that's it for this lecture. We had just not covered this one. So if there is any problem, you can always ask on the group, and I will answer there. So hope you write the quiz on time and you do well. The quiz will be opened at the same time of the class. So it's just not your class, but your class starts from 11:30, I think 11:30. So but I'll open the quiz at 11, and you can write the quiz up till 1:30. Okay, so that's it. Thanks a lot.